Do you like cooking challenges? Or better yet, do you like cooking challenges where you get the chance to win cash prizes? Well, if you do, either check out the link above or below that'll take you over to my blog, lakesidetable.com, that outlines everything you need to know in order to enter. Or just stick around and watch the rest of this little video. So this month's challenge, February 2020, we are doing a pineapple angel food cake contest. Now this is not a photo contest. You don't have to be a food photographer. All you need to do to enter this contest is number one, make it and share it. That's it. So I'm gonna go ahead and make this angel food cake right now. This recipe makes 12 cupcakes, or you can also pour the batter into a 9x13 casserole dish. If you do that, make sure you don't grease the pan. There's no reason for it. Or it makes, 12 nice little cupcakes. So just pour in your angel food cake, and then 1 can of 12 ounces of crushed pineapple, juice and all, and give it a good stir. It's going to be a little bumpy, but that is just fine. And you just want to make sure that all the dry angel food cake powder and the pineapple are fully incorporated together. And then go ahead and pour it into your cupcakes. When pouring them into your cupcakes, you can fill it almost all the way up to the top, but you want to leave maybe about a 1/2 inch room at the top. So otherwise they're going to bubble up and overflow. So make sure you give it a little bit of room to expand. If you are baking or cooking something and it has the chance to overflow, go ahead and put a baking tray or cookie tray underneath what you're baking, and that way if it does overflow, then it'll go onto your baking tray and not make a mess in your oven. And then into the oven they go. Now the cupcakes will not cook as long as the cake in the casserole dish, so we will keep an eye on those. So here's one of our little cupcakes all done. I just put a little dollop of Cool Whip and a little raspberry on top. And if you do Weight Watchers, I think these little guys are maybe 5 points. And I just love the way these cupcake wrappers just come right off. The thing that I don't like about cupcake, the traditional ones, is because they're real crinkly and they seem to grab my cupcake and they take it away from me. And I don't want it. I want all the cupcake in my mouth and not in the wrapper. So I really like these guys. And so you see this little guy? Beautiful golden brown top. And I personally prefer the cupcakes for myself because you can make these ahead of time. That was so good. It's light and fruity and sweet without being too sweet, and the raspberries are a nice touch too. So have fun, enjoy this. And I cannot wait to see your pictures. So post them online and go ahead and share them. And remember, lakesidetable.com/challenge, and you'll find everything you need to know there. All right, bye guys. My hands are all sticky.